Morning, everyone. Good morning. I hope you are well. I am the student of this institute, and we are going to play the GD, in which we are going to tell you about the value of a time, the why we should invest our time in a right way. So we are going to start with the Prince sir.
Okay, so hey guys, once again, as you know, my name is Prince, and you know what I feel about the time is, I mean, there are two kind of categories. When we categorize two types of people, so first we find one who's respecting the time. For so how that person is going to respect. For so that person maybe have observed certain like lack of time instead of time management in their past. Or for so we find always second categories as well who's not respecting the time. So for those person, I mean, who's not able to understand the time and the importance of time. So first I just want to let them know, I mean, please understand the time, because this time you guys are going to miss in future as well. I mean, when it's come to school, when we pass out from the school, so we still miss the school time. So these are the things which I feel that if you're going to lose the time, for sure you're going to miss that back.
Hello, my name is Nancy. So I'm going to tell you why the time is so important. You know, when because of they don't value the time. Many people don't value. They leave died because of the time. Because like if a person want to reach any office to 9 o'clock, so they leave the house 8:55. Because of that, they drive the rush in a way. So because of that rush driving, because accident happen. If they leave their house on a time like 8:30, so they can reach on a time. They don't need to be drive on the high pace. So because of that, because they don't value the time, they live their life in this earth.
So we all know the time is the very precious for all of us, because by the time we achieve anything, we want what we want. By the time we do anything, like we do our work time to time, we go our work, we set a timetable to in our life. So definitely we get success in our life, because by the time we achieve anything, by the time we get a money, by the time we get a happiness, by the time we get everything.
So there is one beautiful dogma in about time. If you don't use it, you lose it. So we are supposed to value of time, because if we don't know how much time we are having, we can't have we are having multiple type of crisis as well. So like you can say that the pandemic which happened last time, you can say the coronavirus, that was also wasted time. But we are supposed to get some kind of lessons from the time, because time gives something.
So in my opinion, if time is just equals to as life, okay, if you are wasting your time, that simply means you are wasting your life. That is why time management is necessary part of the life. And also you cannot buy time with your money, but you can buy money, you can earn money by the time.
Everyone knows that time is very important nowadays. I appreciate everyone's points, and I know that everyone understands that time is very important. That's why when we are going to any kind of hospital, when someone tells us that you have only a little bit of time left, then you regret all the time that you have wasted on anything. Then you regret that I should have spent my time with my family. Then you regret that the time was very important in my life and I should not have wasted it.
In my opinion, time is very important, because when we have time, so we can do anything. Like the sir mentioned that if we have time, we can earn money, but we have not much time, so we cannot earn money. And the second thing is that when we have time, by the time we can do anything. When people have less time, they don't they know value the time, but people don't have time, they don't value it.
We all aware about one thing: give respect, take respect. So that apply on us. If you are a lazy person, you want to be a businessman and many more things. If you will not give respect to time, so time will not give you respect, and you will go in loss. That's why we need time, and time teaches how we have to struggle. That.
Okay guys, I appreciate all of the points, because you all are discuss about the value of the time. You know, the value of the time is very precious, and we should not waste our time, because right now if you are wasting your time, so in future the life is also waste your life, whole life. So that's the reason we should not waste our time, and the time is very precious, and we, every day we just learn so many things by the time, and in the life we all know about the value of the time, and we should not waste the time. That's it.
I also appreciate with all of points, because of all of points was very good. And I talk about how time is very important, how time is very precious. If we are going anywhere, like suppose if we are going our place and we have to catch our train and we miss it, so we miss it lots of things. We miss it money, we miss it our time, and we miss lots of things which is really important for our life. That's why time is most important, and we should never waste our time.